Hello students, sorry for the interruption because of some technical failures. Suddenly due to some technical failures, okay, the video was disconnected with the recording. Okay, now, so it's a continuation for the previous video. Then, now, again I start from the memory. The memory unit is basically designed to record the data. As I said earlier, the primary memory is designed to record the data, and the data should be in any format. Okay, the data can be any format. Okay, and then this memory unit is available in two levels. One is a primary memory, the second one is secondary memory. Primary memory and secondary memory. Here it is, the primary memory is for recording the data in a temporary purpose. In a temporary purpose. So, and it is also called as a volatile memory. Volatile memory. It is also called as a volatile memory. Then, for example, for primary memory, the best example was RAM. The best example is RAM. Now, the next level, secondary memory. The secondary memory is designed to record the data or to store the data in a permanent mode. Permanent mode. So, and this permanent mode is also called as a non-volatile memory. Non-volatile memory. And the examples are like flash memories, all flash memories, hard disks, etc. Okay, so and this is what about the memory unit. Then the next level, the role of AI is it is to perform arithmetical and logical calculations. It is to perform. It is an ALU is designed to perform arithmetical and logical calculations, and it is called as arithmetical and logical unit. It is called as arithmetical and logical unit. Then the next one, control unit. The control unit is dedicated to control and coordinate the peripherals connected to the computer system. The control unit is dedicated to control and coordinate the peripherals connected to the computer system. Then, and the overall this portion of area also called as CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. Then the last level, output unit. An output unit is designed to produce the result or output. Okay, that is to produce the result of the transaction. It is to produce the result of the transaction done by the user. Okay, so these are the functional components of the computer system. Now, we will move to the next topic. Next one. So, motherboard. Okay, so the major focus of this chapter, the typical configuration of computer system, basically focus on the topics of the motherboard device. Okay, so let's start to discuss this motherboard. and it is very important for one mark category. Okay, it is very important for one mark category. Okay, then so motherboard is basically, what is the use of motherboard? Generally, for every time we access electronic gadgets like mobile or TV or washing machine or any other electronic devices, every electronic device must equipped with a square shape of area or a rectangular shape of device and machines. Okay, like this kind of devices or this kind of devices. Okay, so the square shape of devices or the rectangular shape of devices are internally fixed in the every electronic device. Okay, and depend on the size of the device, this shape, these kind of shapes of devices vary from device to device based on its size. Okay, and what is the necessity of these kind of shapes of devices? Basically, whenever we try to connect any external device, like when we want to connect a pen drive, where we connect to the computer system? It is to the CPU, the dedicated USB port. Okay, or when we want to connect a speaker, then we'll fix the 3.5 mm jack port. Okay, or when we want to connect the motherboard, if it is PS2, then we'll connect it to the PS2 location of the CPU. In such a way, all those spots or locations are internally linked with these shapes. Okay, those kind of devices are linked with these devices. Now, coming to that, technically these shape of areas, these shape of devices are called as motherboards. And coming point of a technical definition of a motherboard, the motherboard is basically called as printed circuit board. Motherboard is basically called as printed circuit board or main circuit board, and this is shortly called as PCB. Printed circuit board. And the aim of this printed circuit board is to allow all the internal and external peripherals to connect to the computer system. The aim of the printed circuit board is to allow all internal and external devices to connect to the computer system. That is the role of motherboard fixed in the computer system. Okay. Now, and every motherboard will have three different characteristics. Okay. So now we'll go to discuss. And then here it is. Motherboard is a printed circuit board where it allows to connect all peripherals to computer system. So motherboard is a printed circuit board, shortly it is called as PCB, where allows to connect all peripherals, whether it may be internal peripherals or maybe external peripherals. It doesn't matter. It just allows to connect the peripherals to the computer system. The way we connect the USB pen drive. Okay, the way we connect the speaker or a headset. The same thing. Okay, so and those are all considered the peripherals. And this motherboard will have three unique features. Will have three unique characteristics. Okay, so three characteristics. So that characteristics of mother. Characteristics of mother. Okay. So, and this topic is very important for 3 marks category. Very important. So, very important in the 3 marks category, that is characteristics of mother. So, there are 3 characteristics are there for motherboard. One is form factor. One is form factor. The second one is chipset. And the third one is processor socket. First one is form factor. Remember very easily. Okay, form factor, chipset, and processor socket. So starting with the form factor. See, generally when we look into the mobiles, there are so many number of designs of mobiles are available. Starting with small handheld mobiles too, and ending with a 10-inch tablet PC. Okay, so all of the mobiles and all are considered the mobile category only, but individually each and every one will have a distinct number of features. Each and every mobile will have a distinct number of features. Suppose if you take a small standard phone, which is very tiny kind of mobile, and the range of capacity is also limited. And in case of when we consider the smartphone, okay, which will have a distinct number of features when it compared with the standard phone, okay, and the size is also vary from standard phone. And when in case of you compare with the smartphone with a 7-inch tablet PC, and the size is also may vary from 7-inch to the smartphone, and the capacity is also may vary from 7-inch tablet to smartphone. And how come it is possible? Because the device which was internally fixed in the smartphone or a standard phone or a 7-inch tablet, that is motherboard which was fixed in such kind of devices, the size of the motherboard is vary from standard phone to smartphone and smartphone to 7-inch tablet. Then the thing is here the form factor represents that the geometrical dimensions of motherboard. The geometrical dimensions of motherboard. Remember carefully, the first characteristic of motherboard is form factor. It describes about the geometrical dimensions of motherboard. It describes about the geometrical dimensions and layout of motherboard. Layout of motherboard. See, the reason behind this, why it is going to represent the form factor is going to represent the geometrical dimensions of the motherboard is because there are so many number of manufacturers are there in the market, and like Intel, like Mercury, like Acer, okay, and these companies manufacture the motherboard based on their requirements, and each motherboard manufactured by the companies, the size of the motherboard also vary from one company to other, and that is why I said earlier some motherboards will available in the square shape, and some of the motherboards are available in the rectangular shape. The reason is its requirements assumed by the manufacturer. Okay, so that is the point here. It describes the form factor describes about the geometrical dimensions and layout of motherboard. Layout of motherboard. The next thing is chipset. A chipset is set of microchips. Set of microchips. or any other electronic device. Okay, so it is a chipset is a set of microchips like BIOS, CMOS, etc. It is a set of microchips designed with circuits to perform different operations. See, the chipset is a set of microchips. It is a set of microchips like BIOS or CMOS, etc. designed with a circuit that you will learn in the next chapter named as Boolean algebra. Okay, and all these are created to perform different set of operations. Okay, and the last topic of this characteristics of motherboard is processor socket. Processor socket. First one is form factor, the second one is chipset, and the third one is processor socket. And this processor socket, again you need to consider the size of the chipset. Here it is, some companies like Intel kind of company manufactures a chipset that gives different size, whereas the Mercury kind of company manufactures the chipset in a different size. Okay, so that based on the chipset size, the processor socket also to be manufactured. Based on the chipset size, the processor socket also to be manufactured. Okay, so that is the processor socket. The processor socket is where the chipset is going to be fixed or where the CPU is going to be fixed. It is basically an area on a motherboard. It is an area on motherboard where CPU. Here is CPU stands for processor. It is processor CPU, where the processor fixed on it. And this is what the processor socket. Okay, so these are the three characteristics of motherboard. Okay, so be careful with these two topics. One is the definition of motherboard, which was very important for 1 question. And the next one is characteristics of motherboard, which is very important for 3 marks category. Okay, thank you.